there's no hope. You know, I never thought that we could get to a situation as ordinary Zimbabweans in which we could actually say Mugabe was better. But Zimbabweans are saying so because the levels of looting under Emmerson Mnangagwa are unprecedented. I've called the new government personally the archbishops of stealing, the deacons of stealing. The economy has been taken over by cartels. Cartels in the form of Kudata Gwirei, in the form of Sekunda, in the form of Traffic Gura, in the full form of Billy Rottenberg, in the form of Van Voogstrostrat, in the form of John Bredenkamp, and other cartels that are running this economy. Is not good enough. They are controlling the US dollar market. They are controlling the market for fuel. They are controlling minerals, particularly diamond, gold, platinum, chrome. They are controlling Command Agriculture, it's said. And they are also controlling the Ministry of Finance. The Ministry of Finance has been taken over by those cartels. Kudata Gwirei is in fact the de facto Minister of Finance in Zimbabwe. In 2017, $2.9 billion was stolen outside Parliament. In 2018, $3.5 billion was stolen outside Parliament. As I'm talking to you right now, there's a bill pending before Parliament called the Financial Adjustment Bill. And this is a bill in which they are seeking condonation of stealing $10.8 billion. What it means is basically that the economy, ufumi, watorwa nemagarananda, zvitsotsi, zvimangongongonyo, zvishomanene, zvabata kusunga economy izvozvo. Zvimatsotsi zvinosanganisira Sakunda naKudata Gwirei. Zvimatsotsi izvi zvinosanganisira Traffic Gura, kambani inoisa oil muno muZimbabwe inonzi Traffic Gura. Zvimatsotsi izvi zvinosanganisira vari kurana Command Agriculture, Reserve Bank, Grain Marketing Board and so forth. Zvimatsotsi izvi unozviwana mune varungu vakafanana na Billy Rottenberg, varungu vakafanana na John Bredenkamp, varungu vakafanana na Nick Van Voogstrostad. Vanhu vashomanene vari kungodya vega vabata ikonomi iyoyi. Kana ari Kudata Gwirei, mari yakawanda over $2 billion has gone to Kudata Gwirei in the form of money for fuel, in the form of money for Command Agriculture. And where you have got a budget of $4 billion and one person is getting more than half of that, then surely he's now the finance himself, he's the Minister of Finance. And that's the point I'm making.